Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification.
Hello children, we already started the second lesson, nutrition in animals. In the last class we study about components of food and the different methods of taking the food in different organisms that we studied. So now in this class we will study digestion in human, how the digestive process is going on in human being. So firstly, mainly food passes through a continuous canal. When we take the food, it goes through the one continuous canal. Okay, the canal can be divided into various compartments. This canal will be divided into different types of compartments. What are these compartments of canal? The buccal cavity, food pipe, or it is called esophagus, next stomach, small intestine and large intestine, it is ending in the rectum, next last anus. These are the 6 compartments are there in this canal. I will repeat once again. The food which we taken inside our body, it is mainly food passes through a continuous canal. Canal means it is a route. Continuous goes through the one route, that is called canal. This canal will be divided into different types of compartments. Okay, the compartments are the buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and the anus. These are the different parts of the canal. So in these we will study one by one. These parts together, the buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, all these parts together form a alimentary canal. It is called alimentary, and all these parts form the alimentary canal, or it is called digestive tract. Digestive tract it is called. And when we taken the food inside our body, it is not digest suddenly. It is digested step by step. It is digested step by step. So now we will study one by one. First we will go to the buccal cavity. Okay children, will you see the picture? It is a human digestive system. Which organs are worked in the body to digest a food? It is there in your textbook also. You can see there also. Okay, so in this I told buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine and anus. These are the main compartments of a canal I told. So now we will study first one by one buccal cavity. We will study about buccal cavity. What it is? See here, buccal cavities, this part is called buccal cavity. Okay, so when we take the food inside the mouth, we take the food through the mouth. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. So the process of taking food into the body, this process is called ingestion. What it is called? Ingestion. 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 What it is called? Ingestion. I will repeat once again. If I ask the question, what is ingestion? You should write the process of taking the food. The process of taking the food into the body is called ingestion. Okay, clear? So here, when it is a first step, when we take the food, it is get inside the mouth. Okay, now in mouth, which organs are present? Yes, teeth and tongue. So now we will study about teeth. See here, when we get the food into our mouth, here chews with the help of teeth. The teeth break it down mechanically into the small pieces. The food will be break down mechanically into the small pieces. Each tooth is rooted in a separate socket. Each tooth is fixed. Okay, each tooth is fixed in a separate socket in the gums. So all teeth are not same. All teeth not appearing same, or performance also different, appearance also different, and functions also different. Accordingly, they are given different names. I will show you. Okay, see here, all teeth are not different here. Same, sorry, all teeth are not same here. So these three left side and these three right side are same. Next two are same. Next one here same. These front teeth are also same. Means what? All teeth are having their different functions. Some teeth are cutting, biting, and piercing, tearing, chewing, grinding. Like this, they are doing the different types of functions. So according that function, they are divided into 4 parts, 4 divisions. So these 3 and here these 3, these 6 and top 6, topper jaw. See here, it is only one jaw. Okay, so these teeth are called molar. These teeth are called molar. Next, again these 2 and these 2 are called premolar. It is, I am talking about only one jaw. So next, these 2 are called canine, and these 4 are called incisors. It is one jaw. Same thing in the topper jaw. Okay, so the teeth are divided accordingly their function as a 4 parts. That is, first one, molar, premolar, canine, incisors. Okay, so next, come to the next point. Okay, these are the 4 different types of teeth: molar, premolar, canine, and incisors. See, do you remember about falling of your teeth some years ago? The first set of teeth, when we are child, our teeth are falling down. Okay, so the first set of teeth grows during the infancy, and they fall off at the age of between 6 to 8. When you are 6 to 8 years, your teeth will fall down and next again grow next set of teeth. These are called the first set of teeth are called milk teeth. These are called milk teeth, and the second set that replaces them are the called permanent teeth. Okay, so now we will go to next one more organ in our mouth present, that is tongue. Okay children, next, now one more organ in our present in our mouth is tongue. So it is a picture of tongue. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ. Fleshy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಟಂಟಾಗಿರೋದು. The tongue is fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is attached to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front. It is free at the front and can move in all directions. So why we use our tongue? Yes, we are using our tongue for talking and tasting the food. So not only these two, it is also helping in the swallowing food. We also taste food with our tongue. So why it tastes? Yes children, the tongue is using for talking, swallowing food and tasting the food. And how it tastes the food? So in tongue, here taste buds are present. These are called taste buds. Taste buds are present. Through this the tongue will find out the taste. Okay, so now it is detect the different taste with the help of taste buds. So in our mouth the salivary glands are present which secretes saliva. Okay, the saliva breaks down the starch. Starch means food. Food convert as a starch. So starch into sugar. The in our mouth the saliva juice will create continuously. The saliva breaks down the starch into sugars. Okay, so like this the mouth and tongue works in our mouth, that is buccal cavity part. We studied about buccal cavities part. Next we will go to in next class, that is esophagus. Okay, see here. See here, this is esophagus. Next we will study about esophagus in our next class. Okay, bye.